Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am a Human, a book of empathy by Susan Verd, art by Peter H. Reynolds. I am a human. I was born a miracle, one of billions of unique. I am a human. I am always learning. I'm finding my way and I choose my path. On this incredible journey, I have big dreams. I see possibility. I have endless curiosity. I make discoveries. I have a feeling of wonder. I'm amazed by nature. I have a playful side. I find joy in friendships. I am a human. But being a human means I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I can hurt others. My words, my actions, and even my silence. I can be hurt too. I can be fearful of things I don't yet understand, and timid to try something new. I have a heavy heart when I feel sadness. I am a human. But then I remind myself that because I am a human, I can make choices. I can move forward. A poor choice can become a better choice with thoughtfulness. On a bad day can become a great day with kindness. I can act with compassion and lend a helping hand. I can treat others equally and be fair. I can choose not to fight, but instead listen and find common ground. I can say I'm sorry and ask for forgiveness. I am a human, one of billions, but unique. I am not alone. I am connected. To my friends, to my family, to the world, we are all humans together. And I will keep trying to be the best version of me. I am full of hope. I am a human. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!